Assalamu alaikum. This is episode 8 of Educational Messages to Parents. In the previous episode, we talked about rules. We gave examples of rules at home, how to set rules, and some possible consequences you can give if the rules are broken. And today, we will talk about the second concept in good parenting and raising children, which is procedures. The first question is, what do we set procedures for? The answer is everything that is not a rule is a procedure. Rules stop children from doing wrong things, such as hurting themselves or hurting others, physically or verbally, breaking things, ignoring instructions, or any other similar behaviors. On the other hand, in procedures, we teach our children how to do things right, such as toilet training for very, very young children, getting ready for school and coming back home from school for primary school children, how to do different home chores for teenagers, etc. Raising children is 5% rules and 95% procedures, so you can imagine how many procedures you will need to set for your children at home. The second question is, how can we parents set procedures? There are 3 steps to setting procedures, which, by the way, are very similar to what we do at school. Explain, rehearse, and reinforce. These 3 steps are very easy to understand in sports, so let me take you out there to the basketball court and show you what these actually mean and how to set them. Hello. Setting procedures at home is similar to what a sports coach does to train his or her players. First, explain the procedure you want the children to learn. Right, today I will tell you about how to hold the ball correctly for a free throw. So position your elbow so that it's in line with your shoulder, not like this, all right? And place your non-shooting hand on the side of the ball, like this, right? Of course, we parents know that if we just say it without making the children do it, they will never learn. So the next step is to make them rehearse multiple times till they can do it right every single time without our supervision. Okay, Ali, show me how you can hold the ball correctly. Right? There you go. No. Move your elbow closer to your torso. Yeah? Right, excellent. And finally, reinforce the procedure. If your children do not follow it, explain again and rehearse again. If they do follow it, thank them and tell them that this is the way to do it every single time. Adam, it seems to me that you need to practice holding the ball a bit more. Let me see how you are doing it. It's very, very important to remember not to shout at the children or punish them if they do not do it right. Procedures are not rules, just reteach and make them rehearse. Now let's get back to the library because it's a little bit too hot in here. Welcome back. So again, to set procedures correctly, explain them, rehearse them, and reinforce them. Here are 3 tips that can help you to set procedures. When you explain the procedures, be clear and detailed. For example, when setting a procedure for coming back home from school, don't say, put your shoes and clothes away and go to the kitchen for lunch. Instead, say, take your shoes off and put them in the shoe rack, the top one. Immediately, take off your clothes and put them in the laundry basket in your room. Put on your loungewear, wash your hands and your face and clean your teeth, then go to the kitchen for lunch. See? That detailed you have to be. Another thing is, try and get your children's buy-in. Ask for their opinion, if possible, of course. Children are more willing to follow procedures if they were part of setting them in the first place. And rehearse. It's very important not to give up. Even if you explain and rehearse, children will forget and they will make mistakes. Always follow with reinforcement, as I explained in the basketball court. Don't change the procedures. Don't ignore rehearsals. Don't give up. And rehearse, please. There is a show on YouTube called Super Nanny. Write Super Nanny and routine on YouTube, and you will see that you're not in this all by yourself. The secret to everything that that lady does is the 3 steps that we mentioned here, especially rehearsing. Please don't forget about rehearsing, all right? Children have an awareness of their own behavior, and being able to change it requires metacognitive skills, which some children may still be developing. Constantly and consistently reminding them of the appropriate conduct, both at home and at school, helps them to develop those skills. This means rehearse. If you didn't notice, when you set procedures at home, you will appreciate how much effort teachers put in at school to teach your children how to do things at school right, without giving them any punishment, only following procedures. So talking about teachers' effort might be appropriate to talk about teachers and appreciating what they do in the next video. And this is the last time I've told you to rehearse, all right? I'm Mohammed Shelby, and this is Educational Messages to Parents. Rehearse.